Dreams breakfast. Time for some mini bites for me and my coffee. But first, you hear Miss Dream whining, so let's give her her breakfast. Okay, day number 1, and we are going to open up the new advent calendar from Cult Beauty. So it's beautiful. Opens up like this. And we have a little booklet that tells you everything that is inside of the advent calendar, but we're not going to jump ahead, babes. We're going to go right to day number 1. Pull that out. Ooh, looks like a full size. Let's go. And it's by Say. This is the Glowy Super Gel by Say. All right, so let's hear all about the Super Glowy Gel. We're not gonna skip ahead. But here it tells you, like, congratulations, shows you everything that's in the calendar, a word from all of the partners, and oh, it doesn't give it to you in order. Okay, so the Glowy Super Gel, which is a full size, says bestowing a beautiful lit from within look. This gel could be mixed with your makeup or used as a targeted highlight. So that is the Super Gel, Glowy Super Gel by Say. Full size. Fantastic. All right, Cult Beauty, you are off to an excellent start. I love the box. I love my first gift. And yeah, now let's open up the wine advent calendar. Okay, day 1, let's have some fun. Let's open it up and see what's on day number 1. Here we go, day number 1. And it is a red from Italy. Ooh. All right, let's find out some more about this wine from day number 1. So this year it is a scratch and reveal. So you're supposed to scratch day number 1 and reveal a little bit about the wine. So I'm gonna get something to scratch this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my quarter. So let's scratch and reveal. This is fun. Okay, so this is a 2020 Montepulciano from Italy. The tasting notes are wild cherry, blackberry, and plum. So this is definitely, here, let me turn it around so you can see. This is definitely a jammy wine. You can definitely taste the blackberry notes in here. Definitely taste the cherries as well. So I would say very full-bodied, dry, as I know most Italian wines are dry, with the exception of a few. They're mostly dry wines, which is why I love Italian wines. This is really full and flavorful with the jams, the blackberries, the cherries. So I really taste all of that in there too. It's really good. It's really good. It's enjoyable. Very nice. So let me turn this around. Okay, so I want to turn this around because I wanted you to see some of the things that I will be giving away to paid members of BrownGirlBella. So I have a lot of stuff here that I got from a bunch of different companies that support me over the years. There is more to this. I still have some hair care stuff to give away. So everyone who is a part of my membership will get something from this desk in a limited edition BrownGirlBella makeup case. So I am so excited to be bringing this to you all. So exciting. So that's it, babes. I just wanted to share with you a few things over the couple of weeks. Some of these things I got from my friends at Estee Lauder, so thank you, Estee. Some of them I got from my friends at Eden Body Works, so thank you, Eden. And some of the other things I got from like different collaborations that I've done during this year for BrownGirlBella. So I just want to give back as much as I can to my babes and just thank you all for an amazing year yet again. I do what I do because I genuinely love it. I love educating you all about makeup, about luxury makeup. And I love sharing that love with you. And I'm glad and I am full that you all allow me into your homes and into your lives each week with a sit down video or a live video or a combination of the like. And I don't take that for granted. Like I said, there's many other channels you can choose, but you choose to come here to BrownGirlBella, and I love you for it. So just a little token of my love and appreciation to those paid members. And even if you're not a paid member, I thank you for coming, for tuning in, for watching me, for, you know, pouring into me, for really just being there for me. I don't take that lightly either. And I love you guys. So I'm gonna end it here. And I'll see you back here for day numero dos. Until then, you've been Bellafied.